Xinlong Machinery is a professional custom steel forging supplier in China. We can supply all kinds of different closed die steel forging parts in stainless steel, carbon steel, and alloy steel. As a closed die forging manufacturer, all our products are mainly focused on 0.05 kilograms to 50 kilograms. Our cooperated factory covers 20,000 square meters and has totally 120 staff. Our manufacturing capabilities cover the entire forging component production process, from tooling design and manufacturing, forging, machining, heat treatment, surface treatment to finishing, enabling us to offer ready-to-use products and services to customers. Testing Lab has a lot of advanced inspection equipment, including spectrometer, metallographic microscope, tension tester, low-temperature tester, X-ray tester, MPT, UT, CMM, and so on. With these advanced facilities and instruments, we can supply the high-quality forgings to our customers and make products meeting comprehensive inspection requirements on chemical composition, mechanical properties, non-destructive testing, and high-precision dimensional inspections. We are now committed to producing the high-quality steel forgings at the competitive price. Thanks to the hard working of all staff, we are always proud of delivering perfect products to our customers on time with capability of 5,000 tons every year. Our steel forgings are now mainly exported to countries like America, Britain, Canada, Australia, South Africa, etc. Be compiled with TS16949, we can make all the steel forgings for different applications.